everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about assembly of a toilet tank. It's important that you get the toilet tank installed properly. That way you don't have leaks that end up rotting out the floor underneath the toilet and have to replace the floor. For this job, you will need mounting bolts, washers and nuts that come with, a rubber gasket, flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. The first step is to go ahead and take your rubber gasket and place it on the bottom of the tank. Make sure you get it nice and flush all the way around the sides. After that, we're going to take the tank, flip it over, and set it where it's going to go. Now we're going to hold it there and take our bolt and a rubber washer, put the rubber washer on the bolt and slide it down through the holes on the tank. You should have it pop out the bottom. After that, we're going to take a metal washer and our nut, hold this bolt in place, and go ahead and put these on. Now we're just going to tighten it up with our fingers for right now until we get our other one on. We'll do the same thing for the other side. After you have both nuts on, we're going to take our pair of pliers and our flathead screwdriver and tighten each side equally. So we'll do this one a couple times, then we'll go over to the other side, push down on it and tighten that side. That way we don't tighten one side down too much. Then when we go to tighten the other side, we're going to end up breaking the porcelain of the toilet. So we'll take our pliers, grab it onto the nut on the bottom side, and just hold it. Then we'll grab our flathead screwdriver and tighten it down. Go ahead and give it a few turns here. Then we'll jump over to the other side and do the same thing. Now we'll work our way back over here. And this time, as I tighten it, I'm going to apply just a little bit of pressure onto the back of the tank to help seat that gasket underneath into the porcelain. Now, come over and do the same thing on this side. After that, we'll give it a quick wobble. Press it down a little bit. And when you press down, you don't want the bolts to be loose. You want it to be nice and tight. If they are loose, just continue to tighten. After all that's done, take your lid and set it into place. Knowing how to do a simple toilet installation can save you a lot of time and money. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.